Huh? See? You got it? So there's a story behind it. He's not sure if he's gonna get it or not because I was gonna add a lot of weight to his backpack. So I got you guys on my vlogging stick and we'll try to show you some of the view. Everything's gonna be behind me. So. Obviously, I'm in a bus. So. Just the angle here.
Stop 10, the village store.
Bus is kind of empty. Scheduled to leave tomorrow. We're gonna check out tomorrow morning, but then this is a winter storm. It's expected to hit Yosemite tomorrow morning. I got snow chains in my car. I don't know how to put them on. We'll see. It'll be fun. And yeah, see you all. I love snow. And then I have to get back to Fremont tomorrow evening.
Hello, Thomas. How are you?
I got things to take care of.
You on your way to work?
And I want to spend some time on editing.
That's cool. Oh, yeah, there he is. He's going back up. We're on the other side.
Yeah, we're on the tree on the back side.
That's like so cool.
Yep, thank you. Yeah, that's the first time I saw it ever. And he missed it. So guys, we just got off the bus. Got in the bus at 12:30, and the driver was. Well, I'm not gonna say anything bad about her, but she was busy talking. I told her 2 times we're gonna go to Upper Yosemite Falls. She never told us about the stop. We passed by the stop like 4 times, and the driver's chain and this new driver told us this it's the stop and trail is somewhere over there. So let's go.
Oh shit, Pavesh, ये क्या कर दिया?
See guys.
तो यही होता है.
So guys, what happened? We were in the bus for 2 hours, and we never realized the trail starts at our hotel. So we came back to our hotel. And that's my car over there, and that's our rooms in this building. So we were in the bus for 2 hours, and all we had to do was, instead of going that way, just walk this way. And literally, that's our room. And after 2 hours, we came from there to here in a bus. And the trail starts over there. So we're gonna use the restroom in our room because we're tired. We were on the bus for 2 hours just to get back here, and that's our room. That's our room. We came from there to here in 2 hours.
It was a nice hike.
So 2 hours ago, we started from here. We got the bus. We were on the bus. We were on the right bus. Told the driver we're going for Upper Yosemite Falls. She said she'll let us know. 2 hours later, that driver's shift ended. New driver got on board. We told her we've been on bus for 2 hours. Are we on the right bus? She was like, it should not be that long. It should be usually 15 minutes because the bus makes loops every 15 minutes. And then 5 minutes later, she drops us off at the stop. And then that stop looked kind of familiar. And only to find out we were on the backside of our hotel. So we came back to our room. We used the restroom. We did whatever we wanted to do. Got refreshed. Now, the trail that for Upper Yosemite Falls starts right behind our room. So we're gonna go there. We're still gonna do it, but it's probably gonna get dark when we start ascending back. But that's fine. We got a lot of flashlight. And I got a lot of sugar, but I'm gonna have some, not a lot. Oh. Okay. And I got herbal tea. Okay, we are leaving again for our hiking to Upper Yosemite Falls. This time we're gonna make a left here. Let's go. So it doesn't usually take 2 hours.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's a visitor information center. Let's ask them before making any decision. If that costs us 2 hours. Yeah. I get it. The bus ride was free, but definitely not worth it. You all can laugh in the comment section. That's fine. I'll block you all. Just kidding. Yeah, that's the trail. Let's start.